Are you struggling to find the minimum value in a two-dimensional array using Python? You're not alone. This is a common challenge for many programmers, and today we're going to solve it together. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when you think you have the right tools, but they just don't work as expected. If you've ever encountered a value error while trying to find a minimum value, you're in the right place. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user shared a two-dimensional array and mentioned that using the built-in min function resulted in a value error. They were looking for a way to find the minimum value across the entire array, not just along a single axis. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what's happening here? The built-in min function is designed to work with one-dimensional data, and when applied to a two-dimensional array, it can lead to ambiguity. This is why you're seeing that value error. But don't worry, there are better ways to tackle this. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to find the minimum value, but you'll also learn how to get the index of that value. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. To find the minimum value in a two-dimensional array in Python, the user can utilize the NumPy library. First, they need to ensure that NumPy is installed in their environment. Once NumPy is installed, the user should import it into their script. This allows them to access the functions needed to work with arrays. Next, the user can create their two-dimensional array using NumPy's array function. This will allow them to easily manipulate and analyze the data. Now, to find the minimum value in the entire array, the user can use the np.min function. This function will return the lowest value across all elements. If the user also wants to find the index of the minimum value, they can use the np.argmin function. This will return the index of the minimum value in a flattened version of the array. Fun fact, did you know that the concept of arrays dates back to the early days of computing? They were essential for organizing data, and today they remain a fundamental part of programming. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user is to use the NumPy function np.min. This function allows you to find the minimum value in a 2D array directly. Here's a pro tip. Always check if you have the right libraries installed before starting your project. It can save you a lot of time and headaches down the road. And there you have it. You now know how to find the minimum value in a two-dimensional array using Python, along with its index. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more programming tips and tricks.